At 22, you think you understand how life works. Study, get a job, earn more money, and everything will fall into place. Simple. At least, that's what everyone tells you. And for a while, it actually feels true. Because the first time money hits your account, it feels different. It feels like control. It feels like freedom. Like you finally stepped into real life. But then, something slowly starts to change. Not in a dramatic way, but in small, almost invisible ways. You don't notice it immediately, until one day you realize something strange. Every time your salary increases, your life doesn't get easier. It just gets different. Level 1. This is where everything begins. Your first job. You're nervous, but excited. Everything feels new. New routine, new people, new responsibilities. And then your first salary comes in. You check your account again, just to be sure it's real. And for a moment, you feel proud, like you finally made it. But that feeling fades faster than you expect, because reality doesn't wait. Rent shows up, food costs add up, bills don't stop. And suddenly, you're not thinking about what you want. You're thinking about what you can afford. Every decision becomes a calculation. Every expense feels heavier than it should. And deep inside, there's this quiet pressure growing. I need more. Because this isn't freedom. This is survival with a paycheck. Level 2. This is where things start to look better. A few years pass, and now you're earning more. Not a lot, but enough to feel progress. You upgrade your life. Better phone, better place, better lifestyle. You go out more. You spend without thinking too much. And it feels good. It feels like you're finally moving forward. But then, that feeling starts to fade again. Because something subtle changes. Your expectations. What once felt like luxury now feels normal. And now you need more just to feel the same. So you keep going, working more, earning more, spending more. And before you realize it, you're stuck in a loop. Not struggling, but not free either. Just maintaining. Level 3. This is what success looks like from the outside. Now you're making real money. The kind people respect. The kind that makes others say, you've done well. But behind that image, there's pressure. Bigger expectations, bigger responsibilities, a constant need to prove yourself. Your time slowly disappears. Work doesn't end. It follows you into your evenings, into your weekends, even into your thoughts. You're always on. And slowly, you realize something uncomfortable. You worked hard to earn more, but now your life is built around work. Level 4. This is where everything becomes heavier. Then comes the promotion. The one you wanted, the one you chased, the one you believed would change everything. Now you're in charge. But instead of freedom, you get complexity. More people, more problems, more pressure. You're no longer just responsible for yourself. You're responsible for outcomes, for decisions, for mistakes, even when they're not yours. Your phone never stops. Even when you're resting, your mind isn't. It keeps running, keeps solving, keeps worrying. And one day, it hits you. You didn't escape the system. You just moved deeper into it. Level 5. This is the part no one really talks about. At some point, money stops being the main problem. You can afford things now. You have stability. But something still feels missing. And it's not money. It's time, freedom, control. Because no matter how much you earn, if you don't control your time, you don't control your life. And that's when you finally see it. The system was never designed to give you freedom. It was designed to keep you moving from one level to the next. More money doesn't fix your life. It just changes the level you're playing at. The real difference comes when you understand the game. Subscribe if you want to see work differently.